tell us your name and how long have you been coming to Terry's?
My name is Paul Gregoire, and I've been here coming to Terry's for about, I want to say 17, maybe 20 years.
And what kind of services have you had them here over the years?
An oil change, let's see, air filters, just the basic maintenance that we require for oil changes and all that.
Tell me about a time when the team really went above and beyond for you.
Well, when the lights came on, I freaked out, called Terry's. They said, bring it down, we'll take a look at it. So I did. And then another time was when I went to start the car in the garage, it was dead battery. Called Terry's, he came, gave me a jump. I followed him back over here, bought a battery, and bam.
And what do you like, or what's it like supporting a local family-owned business?
Well, if I had a business of my own, I would want people to come to me, because I think supporting people that owns a business, it's more better than supporting a chain, basically.
And what makes the Terry's team stand out to you?
The guys that work here are really knowledgeable, and they can answer any questions. And if they don't know the answer, they'll find out for you. And if they can't do the work, they'll recommend where to go at.
And how does it feel walking into a local family-owned business like Terry's versus walking into a chain?
It's like family. When you get to know all the staff and the owners, it's like you trust them. And by that makes me feel better that they will know how to take care of my car.
And can you describe a little bit about that kind of overall vibe that you get here at Terry's?
It's just a fun place, fun atmosphere, comfortable. They got coffee, drinks. It's just, the atmosphere is just relaxed, and you're not being pressured or anything like that.
And would you ever go anywhere else, or?
No. I have not been to anyone else since the first day I stepped foot in Terry's.
And if you could say something to the Terry's team, what would you say?
Go guys, you guys rock, and keep rocking, because as long as you keep rocking, I'll keep coming.
That's great. We appreciate your business. We appreciate your support and giving us today.
Terry's Service Center isn't just where I take my car, it's where I know I'm taken care of.